Bites?
What the Let me get that installed.
When I begin down the trail, I start to lose track of my feet. I am walking. Am I walking the earth? Or is the earth walking me? As I tiptoe across the pebbles that constitute this ground, messages seem to well up from the earth. Like a bit of Beverly Hillbilly luck, there is something which makes me commune. Up from the earth's most minor chasm, like a goblin starving for light, rises the idea. An almighty force, like a photon in nature. Perceived as light, but measured as particle. I don't know if my observation changes it. It might just be that it is. I am talking to you about art in case you are unaware. Knock, knock, who's there? Art! Open up. Pay attention, gaze deep into these hazelnut beauties I call mine own eyes. Or green as they are now, Dad! This poem was written prior to nature being bastardized. For more of that, you can go to my website, you can check out the store.